Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And it is time for my monthly Show Us Your SheetLoad / Happy Mail video. I hope you'll stick around to see what came in my P.O. box this month. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month I like to stop by and share a look with you at what came in my P.O. box. Sometimes they're SheetLoad examples, other times they're cards just because, but I always love to open them up. If you're ever interested in sending mail, you can check out the description box below for my P.O. box address, and if you want to show us your SheetLoad, which means you send in an example using the latest SheetLoad of cards, I do have the guidelines video linked down in the description box as well. Now, besides sending a card in, there are other ways you can show us your SheetLoad, so make sure to check out that video for more information. Let's go ahead and see what's in these envelopes. Up first is this beautiful card from Caroline K. of California that used the September 2025 SheetLoad of cards. Did you know that the town I live in is Papillion, which Papillion is French for butterfly, and one of our high school mascots is the monarch. Stephanie M. from Germany knows I love a rainbow, so she sent me this Sending Rainbow Hugs card to help me get ready for my upcoming Crafty Advent series in December. Patricia D. from Texas sent me a Halloween card that used the September 2025 SheetLoad. I just love that cute little guy in the middle getting ready to go trick-or-treating. Delina A. from North Carolina sent me this card in honor of Grandparents' Day in September, and you might be wondering, does she know something that you don't? But the fun thing is, she sent it, and on the inside it said you could celebrate being a grandparent or celebrate the memories you made with your own. Cool Johnny of Ohio and Craft Roulette fame sent me this fun card. He must have watched, it was either a recent live stream I did on my channel or maybe my last appearance on Craft Roulette, but I mentioned how I love to use butterflies in crafting, but they freak me out in real life. So to make this butterfly a little more intimidating, he put it on an action wobble. Alice R. from Colorado used the September 2025 SheetLoad to make this cute Halloween card. I just love her holographic metallic mats around her triangles. Yvonne K. from Wisconsin also used the September 2025 SheetLoad, but for her example, she made it into a Christmas card. I love those rich colors of her background papers. Carmen D. from Colorado, who you also know as my crafty friend Carmen of the Choose Joy with Carmen YouTube channel, sent me this thank you card after I placed an order recently for Stampin' Up's 12 Days of Christmas Advent Calendar. And guys, guess what? She sent me an extra Advent calendar that I will have to give away during my December series. If you want to know more about purchasing that and you live in the United States, make sure to reach out to Carmen. I will link her YouTube channel below. I have two cute Halloween cards to share that were made by Cheryl of Utah. On the left, she rewound back to August 2022, and over on the right, she used a September 2025 SheetLoad. And speaking of Halloween, if you are watching this video on the day it comes out or shortly after, I have a bonus secret word for you. Now, if you don't know what these secret words are all about, make sure to check out my Craftoween kickoff video, which I will have linked in the description box below. And don't forget, these are secret words. Do not give away the word or the fact that there is a bonus secret word anywhere in the chat or comment section. The bonus word for this video is mail, M-A-I-L. Good luck! And now for another Halloween card. This one is from Melissa M. of Missouri. I love that spooky background paper and the Happy Halloween banner. You might know that I'm a bit behind sharing Happy Mail. I did skip last month, so that's why we're in for a treat with 3 cards from Barb S. of Florida. In the center, she used the August 2025 SheetLoad. The left is from September, and over on the right, she did the October 2025 fun fold. Chris D. from Washington sent me this beautiful dragonfly card. I love how on the left too, she filled those in with a pattern by using the negative piece of that die cut. And just like with butterflies, I think dragonflies are beautiful in crafting, but I do try to stay away from them in real life too. And I just had to show you the envelope she made. This is actually a page from an old calendar. What a great way to reuse something like that and have a beautiful envelope. And last but certainly not least was a package from Robin T. of Colorado. Inside was a fabulous fall card and note, and she also shared some fall rainbow paper with me. She said when she saw this, she immediately thought of me, and I would concur with that. Thank you so much, Robin. Each envelope I open is just like another little treat. If you agree that these were some great creations, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks again to everyone who took the time to send in a card, and to Robin for my pretty fall rainbow paper. Until tomorrow, when I will be back with a brand new sheet load of cards, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.